Hi, welcome to Vision IGCSE AS and A level. So we have a student around the globe. So today we have to discuss one of the IGCSE this year question. Fine. So it's here three regular polygons are there. This is one regular polygon. This is another, and third one here we have. Fine. So the interior angle of these polygons are in the ratio A is to B is to C. That is 3, 4, and 5. Right. So 3x, 4x, and 5x. Fine. At the point. So here show that the Polygon C has twice the number of sides as the Polygon B. Fine. This is what we have to show. All right. So here, first of all, we have to utilize our basic concepts of ratios, right? So here the interior angles ABC are in the ratio of 3x, 4x, and 5x. Okay. And angle around the point, I hope you might be knowing the concept that it's a 360, isn't it? So here you have to utilize 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 360. Fine. So 3x plus 4x plus 5x is 12x is equal to 360. Fine. And x is equal to 360 over 12, 30. Fine. So x is equal to 30. Now calculate the each interior angle. 3x is equal to 3 times 30, which is 90. 4x is equal to 4 times 30, 120, right? And 5x is equal to 5 times 30, 150. Fine. Now, these are the interior angle of regular polygon. Fine. Now, the interior angle of the regular polygon, we have a formula. Interior angle is equal to n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. Fine. So we have to calculate the number of sides of regular polygon A, number of sides of regular polygon B, number of sides of regular polygon C we have to calculate. Fine. So here for A, we'll make the equation. Fine. For A, 90 is equal to n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. Fine. Even we can simplify here. 90 times 1 is 90. 90 times 2 is 180. Straight away you can simplify because it's a numerator. So transfer this n to the left. 1 times n, that is equal to n. And here even multiply this 2 in the bracket. So 2n minus 4. So transfer to the left. So that's a 4 is equal to 2n minus n. So it's n is equal to 4. For regular polygon A, how many sides are there? Here I will write 4. Similarly, you have to calculate the number of sides of regular polygon B and C as well. So for B, I will calculate here, look at this one, which is B having interior angle is 120. 120 is equal to n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. Again, you can cancel out 0, 0, right? So 12n is equal to 18. N minus 36. Transfer 36 to the left, 12n to the right. So 36 is equal to 18n minus 12n, which is 6n. So n is equal to 36 divided by 6, which is 6. Fine. So for B, how many sides are there? I will write here as well, which is 6. Then nextly for C, we have the angle is 150, which is equal to n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. So here 0, 0 get cancelled out, right? So 15n is equal to 18n minus 36. So 36 is equal to 18n minus 15n, which is 3n. So n is equal to 36 over 3, which is 12. Fine. Now you can see here polygon C having 12 sides, which is twice the number of sides of polygon B. That is what you have to prove here. Understood? I hope you understood this whole explanation. Share and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you. Enjoy the maths.